We're talking about 90s, and even when you were factoring in the humidity, feeling closer to, if not even in the triple digits for many. We are going to get some relief, from the heat as we're going into midweek, but before then, it's going to have a cold front moving through, and that's going to help to spark up the chance for a few more showers and storms. And we already have seen a few popping into the eastern UP from Luce and Chippewa counties. There were a few severe storms earlier this afternoon. So this is what we're talking about up till around midnight, very early on Tuesday morning. Strong winds, heavy downpours, and some lightning within any thunderstorms we do see develop. Over the next few hours do look to be our primary threats. So here we go on to the model, futurecast, the rest of it going into the overnight period and then again into your early Tuesday morning. Really going to have to watch areas not only throughout the eastern UP, but I think another sweet spot could be areas closer to the Lake Michigan shoreline, getting into western lower. I think that's going to be the better coverage of any of these showers and storms as we're getting closer to the midnight hour. And then even still as we go into your Tuesday morning, model not doing a great job showing it, but still thinking there's going to be some lingering showers and possibly even a rumble of thunder as we are starting off the day on Tuesday. Eventually, that cold front moves farther south, something we haven't seen in a little while. You see those little blue arrows there on the map. So that's going to be ushering in, quote unquote, a little bit of a cooler air mass. So thinking by the time we're at least getting into the late afternoon hours, by the evening hours of our Tuesday, any better rain chances are going to be found into some of our southern communities. So we'll still hold on to that chance, at least going throughout Tuesday morning. But that's going to be the consensus on the rain and storms as we're getting into the day tomorrow. And even still, that's Wednesday. By the time we're going into Wednesday morning, any better shower chances or thunderstorm chances do look to be throughout most of our southern communities by the time we're reaching midweek. So we've got the active pattern back. If you remember from last week, we were talking about the jet stream. The big reason why we got really hot this weekend, jet stream was way off to our north. Well, it has retreated a little bit farther south. So we're bringing in system after system over the next few days, and that's going to be the big reason why we're still talking about those chances for precipitation as we're taking you into midweek. Out there right now, it's still a very hot Monday evening. McBain, you're still talking about some upper 80s at this hour. Current temperature still sits right there at 88 degrees. Not even factoring in the humidity, and even still Manistee, closer to the Lake Michigan shoreline. Check out your temperature still right now at 90 degrees. But a little bit of relief coming from the heat as we're going into midweek, but still out there for the rest of this evening. You will notice those warmer temperatures and your overnight lows. Not much relief still from the heat. Overnight lows in the 50s, if not still your fair share of some 60s. But behind this cold front moving through, we will be seeing the numbers slightly cooler as we're getting into the day tomorrow. Eastern upper tip of the Met still talking about some 70s as we get you into the day tomorrow. Thinking most of the UP is dry. Could hold on to a lingering shower or storm as we take you throughout northern lower, especially throughout the morning hours. It still will be warm, but we're not talking about the 90s or the triple digits. It's going to be some more 70s, if not some 80s, as we go into the day tomorrow. Same deal with the thinking for the rain. Eastern lower, we'll have to watch the morning hours, maybe even into the early afternoon. Not as hot, not as humid as we take you into the day tomorrow. If we have any better chances for the rain and storms to hang out into your Tuesday afternoon, that will be into some of our central counties. Still with the temperatures back into the low to even a few mid-80s out there. So slight relief from the heat as we're going into midweek, but remember the jet stream right back overhead. So we continue to bring in system after system throughout the next few days, Adam, with chances for more showers and thunderstorms.